Today we are going to make LDR based LED dimming project. Here we will require one LED, one 10k ohm, one LDR, Arduino Uno board, breadboard and a USB cable. First of all, take the LED and place it on the breadboard. Connect its anode to pin 9 of the Arduino and cathode to the negative line of the breadboard. Now take the LDR. The LDR is a light dependent resistor. So when light falls on this resistor, its resistance decreases, and when there is no light, its resistance increases. Place the LDR on the breadboard. Connect its one terminal to the positive line of the breadboard and the other terminal to pin A0 of the Arduino. Now take the 10k ohm resistor, connect its one terminal to the LDR and the other terminal to the negative line of the breadboard. Now take a wire, connect the negative line of the breadboard to the ground pin of the Arduino and the positive line of the breadboard to the 5V pin of the Arduino. The connections are done.
Coding for LDR based LED dimming using Arduino. First of all, open the Arduino IDE software. So here first we will create a variable of integer type int in, and then give the name of the variable as sensor and assign pin A0 to this variable since the LDR is on pin A0. Then create another variable val and assign value 0 to it. And the last variable is LED and assign pin 9 to it since the LED is on pin 9. So our variables are created. Now in the void setup, declare the sensor as input and the LED as the output. So type pin mode sensor, give the mode as input. Similarly, for LED, give the mode as output. And then type serial.begin and give the baud rate as 9600. Now inside the void loop, we will store the value of the sensor in the val variable. So type val is equal to analog read and inside the bracket give the name of the variable sensor, so that whatever value is on the sensor variable will be stored in the val variable. Now type serial.print ln and inside the bracket write val. So whatever the data is stored in the val variable will be displayed on the serial monitor. Now we will compare the values of the sensor and accordingly our LED will glow or turn off. So first give the if condition if val is greater than 10. So if the value of the sensor is greater than 10, then our LED will glow. But we are going to use analog write here, and inside the analog write give the pin as LED and the value as val, so that the intensity of the brightness of our LED depends on the variable val. Then again write serial.print ln and inside type LED light on. Now give a delay of 100 milliseconds. Now in the else, we just have to turn off our LED. So in the analog write, give the LED value as low. So if the value of the variable is greater than 10, our LED will glow, otherwise it will turn off. So our also in serial.3 is write LED light off. Our coding is done, so we don't need a delay here. Our coding is completed. Now click on verify. Our code is correct. Now from tools, select the Arduino Uno board and the required COM port, and then click on upload to upload the code on the Arduino board.
Output of the LDR based LED dimming. So here, as the light is falling on the LDR, the LED is glowing, but as soon as we turn off our light, the LED turns off. Thank you.